I can't wait to grow up and be smart and strong like my mommy.
Cheer up! You're drinking milk, and this is you in a few years. You're growing fast, and milk can help you get a great smile, strong bones, and muscles.
Milk, it does do body good.
Wait, there's more to growing than just drinking milk. First of all, if you don't recycle, this is what Earth will look like. Second of all, you need other nutrients and can use this carton to help you get that.
How?
Let me show you. Let's visit the Ocean Township Intermediate School indoor greenhouse and see what they have been working on. Let's ask one of the expert students about what they have done here.
Action. These are the school student-made hydroponic system and aeroponic system. Not only they are made out of materials that would have ended up in landfill, they are being reused as planters. Ponic systems are an organic way of farming that provides plants with the greatest amount of nutrients while conserving water. These plants can be grown year-round since they are only harvested right before they will be consumed. They provide the highest nutrient value to person eating them.
This is a hydroponic system which consists of a reservoir of nutrient-rich water that is wicked up to the plant through a piece of cotton material. The soil stays moist from the wick, and since the plant only uses the water that it needs, it uses 90% less water than conventional farming. This is made from using 12 milk cartons on each side to contain plants, which equals 24 plants in total, along with reciprocal cartons containing their water reservoir. This is a total of 48 milk cartons saved from the landfill. Once it is warm enough outside, we can bring this system outside so the sun can take the place of the lights. And no energy will be used to continue to grow the plants.
Here is an aeroponic system. Like the hydroponic system, it uses 90% less water than conventional farming and provides the same nutritional value.
The difference between this system and the hydroponic system is that it uses a pump to get the water to the roots of the plant, which is even better for the plant because it aerates the roots, making them grow 30% more, 3 times faster, and uses 98% less water in comparison to conventional farming because there is no evaporation due to the closed system.
This vertical garden houses 38 planters, so that's 38 less cartons in the landfill and 38 more high nutrition vegetables for us to eat. We even put on wheels so we can move it around the school to show it off to other classes and the students.
We have been leaving it in the cafeteria with information about it so everyone in the school can learn about this conservation-minded, nutritious way to grow our food.
To start the seeds for both of the ponic systems, we use milk cartons to house a small water reservoir and individual plants to be transplanted into our systems as once they got big enough.
We kept the cartons after we transplanted the seedlings so we can start a new round of leafy greens once the originals get larger, as you can see here. Leafy vegetables will continue to grow if you only pick off the outside leaves. However, there is a point when they need to be replaced.
In addition to using milk cartons as planters to help us grow and develop, we wanted to give back to nature. We made a bee box to put out by our garden by stacking 2 cartons inside of each other and spacing them throughout the box. We are hoping that the cartons will help our rapidly declining bee population find a home.
We also made toad houses to place around our garden to help with the insects population, in addition to providing a home for our important native bioindicators.
What is a bioindicator?
A bioindicator is an organism that can tell us if the ecosystem is healthy and not polluted. Since our garden is by a drainage ditch, which always has water in it, toads should be there as well. If we notice our toad homes are not being used, then we will know that we may need to analyze the soil and area for pollution.
Wow, it sounds like a lot of work. How are you going to do all this gardening?
We used 4 milk cartons glued together to make tool caddies that we can carry outside while doing our gardening. Who knew that drinking milk could build strong bones and muscles, and we could use the cartons to grow plants and help the environment?
Ocean